very careful in terms of releasing long-term forecasts. We, as a public company, I would much rather under-promise and over-deliver. So let me say it this way. We are still in the early stages of the growth and development of the company. If we take China as an example, we're going to have thousands of stores in China over the long term. We have 2 new categories of products, Starbucks Via being one, and now single-serve K-Cups another. Those are 2 separate billion-dollar opportunities, we believe. We have another brand called Seattle's Best Coffee. We think that is a billion-dollar brand. In addition to that, we're sitting with $2 billion of cash on the balance sheet and want to be opportunistic and aggressive in terms of seeking other new channels of distribution for the company. And specifically, we're now building out a classic consumer products group in which we're selling Starbucks coffee and other products in grocery stores in many countries. So I'm more optimistic today about the future of the company than I ever have been. But again, our success is not an entitlement. We have to earn it. I think as we look at both Latin and South America, I would say on balance, Starbucks is understored in many of these markets. And over the last few years, I think our push has been more towards Asia than Latin and South America. And I think we're now going back and examining where those opportunities are. Specifically, I think there's a very big opportunity in South America and Brazil. And we're looking at that very closely. I do think over time, because we are optimistic, cautiously optimistic about Western Europe and Spain, that over time we will aggressively open more stores in Western Europe and in Spain. And so I think it's important that I convey to you my sense of optimism and confidence in Spain, in Grupo Vips as a partner. We've been here 10 years right now. We're very pleased with the result, and we think that there's a bigger opportunity long term. In terms of acquisitions, I think it's very possible that for the first time in our history, there could potentially be acquisitions as part of the growth of the company. We have a very strong balance sheet with no debt, and it might be interesting for Starbucks to acquire some companies that could add value to our business. That's possible.